Hair care should be a ceremony of self-love and self-care. If you struggle with dry, thick, coarse, curly, or thirsty hair, Hydrating Hair Mask is the product for you. This hydrating hair mask has a rich blend of oils. Coconut, avocado, monoi, and tamanu help return hydration to dry and damaged hair. I like to start with a dime size amount. You may want to use a little bit more. I make sure to pull the product through my mid-shaft to ends to make sure that I get the most dry, porous parts of my hair. You may need a little bit more product, but before you add product, be sure to add more water to help deliver the moisture to all of the strands. Leave this mask on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then continue with your regular shower routine. Once you're ready, thoroughly rinse your hair with water. Follow with your favorite Innersense Organic Beauty hair care routine. After you've used this mask, you will love how your hair feels. It will have so much shine and bounce, and the manageability is amazing.